So I'm here with Ralph Jabas, the CEO of W Motors. Thanks for joining me, Ralph.
Pleasure to meet you. Pleasure to see you today.
Thank you. Now, you launched the Lykan Hypersport here at the Dubai International Motor Show 2 years ago. What has W Motors achieved in that time?
All right, so exactly 2 years ago, we launched the Lykan Hypersport at the Dubai Motor Show, which was a big step for the Arab industry to produce such a car. Then after the great achievement of having the car in Fast and Furious 7 as an international role, now was time to launch the second model, the Fenyr SuperSport, as a world debut today at the Dubai Motor Show 2015. So we had now two models, not one. For the first time, we're exhibiting two in the same show, which is a great achievement for us today.
And what's the difference between the customers of the Lykan and the Fenyr?
The Lykan customers are more of the collectors, the people who like to collect cars. So this car is a collector to only 7 cars ever made in the world. It comes with a concierge service, hologram in the flying in the air, diamond encrusted headlights, gold stitch interior. Anything you can imagine in it is really unique to make it a one-off car, limited to only 7. The Fenyr is more of a performance-driven car. It's engineered to perform based on power and speed. You have 900 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds, 2.6 seconds, sorry. Top speed beyond the 400 kilometers per hour. So it is a completely different car that is based on pure performance. So we dropped the hologram, the diamonds, the stitching, the concierge service, and we made it ultralight, really engineered to be an incredible car to drive.
And what's the inspiration behind the Fenyr?
The design of the Fenyr is inspired, of course, with the W Motors DNA. It has a Lykan, or let's say a wolf DNA behind it. However, the name comes from Fenyr, was the god of the son of Loki, which is the most vicious and aggressive wolf ever in history. So if you look at it, it's extreme in every way. The design is extreme, the performance is extreme, the look is extreme. It is really inspired by the wolf, by the legends, and by the history that we know about these people, these legends and these gods.
And what's in store for the future for W Motors?
We're developing an SUV, which will be launched next year at the Beijing Auto Show. The SUV will be much more affordable, talking $300,000, produced around 100 cars per year. It's going to be an incredible car, targeted to be the fastest SUV in the world.
And is one of these your daily drive?
I actually drive this car here. This is our demo car that I drive around for marketing purposes in Dubai.
Perfect. Thanks for joining me today, Ralph.
Thank you very much, Anna.